If you eat an avocado a day for a month, here's what will happen to you. Avocados aren't just a trendy addition to toast. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that can have profound effects on your body and health. Eating one avocado a day for a month could lead to noticeable changes, and here's how. 1. Improved heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. This combination supports heart health and reduces the risk of heart disease. 2. Better digestion. Avocados are a great source of dietary fiber with about 10 grams per fruit. Regular consumption can improve digestion, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Glowing skin and stronger hair. The healthy fats, vitamins C and E, and antioxidants in avocados nourish your skin, making it more radiant and hydrated. Additionally, biotin in avocados can strengthen hair and reduce brittleness. 4. Enhanced brain function. Avocados are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which are known to support brain health, improve memory, and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 5. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados are surprisingly helpful for weight management. They keep you fuller for longer due to their high fiber and healthy fat content, which can reduce cravings and support portion control. 6. Reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of avocados, thanks to their antioxidants and healthy fats, can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is linked to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. 7. Better absorption of nutrients. Avocados act as nutrient boosters, helping your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, and K, more efficiently from other foods you eat. Possible downsides. While avocados offer numerous benefits, it's important to consume them in moderation. Overeating can lead to excess calorie intake and potential weight gain. Also, people with latex allergies or specific food sensitivities should exercise caution. Conclusion. After a month of eating avocados daily, you might notice better energy levels, improved skin, and overall well-being. However, balance is key, so make sure to incorporate other nutrient-rich foods into your diet as well. Subscribe to Fact Bloom for more intriguing health facts and lifestyle insights.